This is the Iowa State Police Department activating an Amber Alert system for all of the state of Iowa. A child has been abducted from the town of Cantrell and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Lucas Mahaska. He is a 17-year-old white male, 5 feet 11 inches tall, 155 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing a gray sweatshirt, black jeans, and carrying a black backpack. Abducted by his mother Betty Mahaska Wiggins, a 46-year-old white female, 5 feet 6 inches tall, 150 pounds with blonde hair and blue eyes. She may be driving his son's 2018 Nissan Versa sedan, bearing Iowa license plate BWR379. Vehicle has dark headlights and a black spoiler with numerous stickers on the back and side windows. Or, her 2004 red Ford Explorer Iowa license plate number KCS129. There is an unknown type of sticker on the back window. If you have any information regarding the abduction, please call 911 immediately.